thought I'd bring this because it's quite interesting.
What? Well,
It's
I'm not
experimental aircraft.
I'm not interested.
It's a D-558.
Oh, because the D-557 was a turd.
Well, apparently. So this looks like the X1 because it's based on the same experimental series of trying to get a plane to do faster than the speed of sound. So X1 did the speed of sound, and that was in like 1945, I think, after the war. Now
They needed Maverick.
Well, Maverick came later. If he was there in that time, he would have done like Mark 5, right? It would have been just hanging onto the wings.
He would have, my mate Maverick. He would have done it. He would have got it there.
He would have done it inverted.
What does that mean?
You haven't ever seen it, have you?
What's inverted mean, though?
It's upside down.
Oh, that's easy.
That's
That's how you got belts for.
Well, this is from the same sort of experimental program. And in 1952, they actually got this on rocket power.
Rocket power.
And launched off an aircraft.
Estes.
It was a big Estes rocket, mate. This did Mark 2. So 2 times the speed of sound.
With a pilot.
Yeah.
The things that echo at twice the speed of sound.
I don't know. Should we try it? We need to get into something that does, like Mark 2.
We got the Estes powered velodrome car.
Well, we're going to try and like fit in it. I don't know if we might slow it down a bit. But I bring that to your attention because we got these on special. So we've got a whole heap of specialty kits. They're on sale at the moment.
Have we gone mad?
It seems that way. So not just Special Hobby. There's a lot of other brands like AA, KP, all different guys.
You're just making it up.
Not all of it, just some of it. But I'll show you what's in them. So they look like a simple kit. Okay, well, this particular plane looks fairly simple, I guess. But with these, they actually include resin and photo etch parts as well.
Resin and photo etch.
Yeah. So you got your little manual there. So that's it. It's one sheet of sprues. That's what you're going to get. But you got some really nice decals there. So these are ones with the X markings. That's a version that actually did Mark 2. And we've got lithograph printed dials for the cockpit. Over here, we've got our little bag of resin. Let's see if I can get in there. So you can see that little bag of resin. And there are all the wheels, all those super fine details, see all those rivets and things.
It's got a nice meaty sprue.
It has. So these sort of things do have a meaty sprue, and there I'm showing you the photo etch.
Maverick would not appreciate that.
I still got 30% off these kits at the moment.
Oh.
What's the details here?
I hope you take the trouble to put one in next year's Model Expo. At that
that
price. Does Jack A know?
Jack A?
Does he know?
I haven't told him. Otherwise he'll buy all our stock.
There'll be none left.
That's right. So that is from Special Hobbies. Those are all different kits. I think there's like 200 or 300 different kits you can choose from.
Yeah?
So have a look at that. There's a little collection. You go to the website and there'll be a link on the front page to see all these. So I've got that. I've got other stuff too. Have you got anything else?
Have I?
Yeah.